Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a bigger cup with your Keurig coffee maker. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have the Keurig K-Supreme coffee machine. And I'll be using this for this specific demonstration, but you can take this method and pretty much apply it to any Keurig machine that you will find on the market. So let's say I wanted to make a coffee, and I'm using like a standard mug like this. It fits perfectly fine in there, no problem at all, okay? But let's say I'm on the go. I have somewhere to go, okay? So I have somewhere to go. Let's pretend my name is Joe, and I want to use my travel mug right here. We're Joe on the go. We want to use our travel mug, right? Well, check this out. I can't fit it. It won't fit. No matter how I try and manipulate it, it won't fit. And if I go like this, it's probably going to spill everywhere if I try and hold it like this, because I've heard stories of people doing that, okay? Don't do that. Not a good idea. What you can do, and this is what I do with my past Keurig machines, and I will do it with this one that I just got right now. I just purchased this a couple days ago, just sort of getting ready to use it, is I actually take the drip tray and I remove the drip tray. Now look at the thickness of this drip tray right here, okay? I've now just added that much height to my glass availability, okay? So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take either my travel mug or my bigger glass, and check this out. Look at that. We can now get our coffee into the bigger cup, so Mr. Joe on the go will know that he's good to go, okay? And if I wanted to do something where, you know, sometimes you want to show off the coffee inside of there, you know, you see like those little swirls of the coffee and milk and stuff like that, or you're making iced coffee or something like that where you want to show it off, you can use a bigger glass like that, okay? Literally that easy, okay? Now, remember, there is an associated downside, which is you no longer have a drip tray there. So really make sure that you're not dripping anything down there. And if you do, clean it up right away once it is, clean it up once it is cooled down, but don't let it like sort of cake on there, right? Okay? And most drip trays can be removed that easily. In different machines, there might be slightly different methods, but in reality, it's very, very easy to do. Consult your owner's manual if you want to have specific instructions for your machine, but it's very, very similar, right? When you're done, right? Check this out. Boom, slide it back in, good to go. Put your drip tray back in, however you do that, and you're good to go. That's it, that's my little trick. I don't want to call it mine because I don't know if I'm the first one to come up with that idea. I don't think I am, but I thought of it myself. So that's my little trick that I use to use a bigger cup, because I always use my travel mug whenever I'm making coffee and leaving the house, in a Keurig coffee machine. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.